So I found the issue. So how I found is like logged the event thing which I received from the mouse down function, callback function. So I logged on it, and what I saw in log was, okay, sorry. Uh, so this page.x or page y won't give you the proper thing. The proper thing you will get from something called screen x and offset y. Yeah. So it is like 10 or 50, 80 units behind that page x thing. So this is the proper thing. So I won't use page x page y here. I will use offset x and offset y. Okay, let's save this thing and start. This is working. Okay, the issue now is, sorry, let's start with some issue with my space. Issue is we have to take consider that angle also, this thing also is becoming complicated now. So what we are going to do is we have just draw something here, like we want having this thing also bit could be a bit complicated. What we should do is, let's see, let me just check the first thing also. This thing also is this was a bit complicated. X is equal to minus 2. Mapping here will be a bit complicated. So let's do one thing. Let's just animate till I'm going for only this case. I will animate it to 1. This dot there dig is equal to 0. 0 minus 1. Zero. This is working great, but this thing is not working. Now, why is this thing not working? Like, let me have this y values proper. Just putting some random log statement here. Just putting some random log statement here. Yeah, y is proper for this thing, but what about x? X is something around 1x. 1 to minus 45. Okay, I don't need this here. I will only have the condition if this dot equal to 0. Yeah. Okay, so this thing will be minus w by 10. Okay, so the reason is like we are just having the mirror image here. Okay, let me show you properly. See here, so here this thing, it is like 4w by 5, 4 times of the width, 4/5 times of the width, and this thing is the mirror. This thing is the mirror image of it. So this thing is 4/5, 4/5 of the width, and this is 4/5 of the width minus width by 10. So save this and yeah, see, just going there, just going there. But this looks a bit artificial, right? We need a pivot for it. So let's code the pivot part and then we done with this. Class pivot constructor x comma y. The size also will pass the size. Just a size here. X and y is other coded of this point. So draw will be simple, straightforward. Text dot fill style is equal to black context dot begin path. We'll draw a triangle, right? So move to x comma y context line to you have to just visualize it. So this point is like x, and it's, I think I'm not drawing this part, the rectangle part, I'm only drawing the triangle part. If this thing is x comma y, this thing will be x plus size by 2 comma y plus size by 2, and this one will be x minus size by 2 comma y plus size by 2. If its whole size is size, like width and height of that is size, and this dot x, this dot y, x, this dot y, and this plus size by this plus size by 2. Let us do in this thing, right? Let's do this. X, don't need the y also. This also each time. Uh, X or y here. Writing this dot is a bit painful each time, so I can context line 2 x minus 2 y plus y by 2, then context dot fill, and then the pivot will create here in a minute. size if we convert the bit by 10. Oh, 5. Then let's draw this pivot. Drawing this pivot was a bit simple. Let's draw pivot to draw. Oh. Rotating bars around 10, so I will just do it around 40. This looks fine. Just let's reduce the degree, like reduce to 36 or 27. Remove the log statement here because I don't need. Okay, so now what I need is so, yeah, I told you that I will reduce the amount of rotation here. I'll reduce it to, let it be 5 or 6, 30, 30. Let's take the whole thing out now. So it's like a guy is sitting here and then he's leaving the seashore. So it will go to the original position. But ideally what we want is this thing must like ideally what we want is this thing must like must click on here. So this thing is a bit complicated, like you have to draw the take the cosine and the sine of this point from here, and yeah, this will be a bit complicated, but can we try this out now, or hmm so can we try this out now, or we'll try it sometime later? Yeah, we can do. Okay. So 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 we can just do it as 0.45. Okay. Okay. So, let it be like this. I'll try to do it in another video. But for now, it is like in this section. So we'll continue with this. So thank you guys for joining. If you like this thing, you can subscribe to my channel, and or if you want to know something like you, I like to code something each and every week, and I'm coding 2D graphics. I like to code one real-time app here also, but for that I need some more and more time. So it will be more like I'll be uploading that if you code a full end-to-end real-time app, then I have to code it at each that on daily basis for 10 or 15 days, and I have to upload each and every day to sell that video. So For now, we'll do the we are like I'll do some minor stuff, which will take advanced. It will take 1 or 2 hours, like a small game or something. But in the future, I will code a full end-to-end app using some frameworks like React, Angular, or uh, Vue.js, and also I'll use Node.js in backend. So, but for now, I'll for 5 to 7 days, I will just do some basic stuff like basic graphics to graphic stuff, and that yeah, that will also be helpful. You can understand some good concepts and all. So for today, I coded a basic seesaw, and it is not it is not fully complete. It is not completed for now. Like I've just taken I had some issues with this when I was clicking on the degree was in 45 degrees or something, so I have to take it back to 0 degrees. But yeah, I will try to tackle this in some future video. But for today, I am done with this stuff. So thanks to have patience in this video, and yeah, do subscribe to the channel, and do like this video, do share with others. And just if you want to check my other tutorial series about like I made a full complete series on Go. It was Golang series, so you can check the description here. And if you want to see what I coded in the last video, you can see check out here. I coded a club code animation stuff. So thanks.